Disabling two-factor authentication can help simplify your login process, but it may also reduce your account's security. Follow these steps to turn off two-factor authentication on Monster 2026. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Monster 2026 website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this section to view your current security settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, you should see an option to disable two-factor authentication. Click on the toggle or button to turn it off. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure you save any changes made. Look for a Save or Confirm button and click it to finalize your settings. Remember to review your account's security regularly and consider other security measures to protect your account.